This is the right place.
Kasi 150 na ako sa pera mo. Sarang balo na 300.
Sino may ano?
Kasi kulang.
Ito ang ngiting ano, tinapay. Oh, ha? Ayan. Si Jay. Si Jay. Made from the States? This is the shampoo. Yes. We have here an American Daily Conditioner shampoo. Alright. It's a big one. And the other one, this is the Bailey shampoo. Yes. And the couples. Yes. No, why did they lock the other doors? Huh? Jeff. Why did they lock the other doors? Oh. See. This is the shampoo I can... okay. Jay. Yes. Man, there's the aircon. That's the aircon. It's useless. Man, it's a shampoo from the United States. Yes. That's what my ate gave to me. No. Meron, my friends. Kailangan lang natin ito, lalagay natin sa YouTube. Yeah? Para makalasap yung iba, di ba? Makita na lang ang kagandahan. The beautiful place. Yes. Oh, yes. Diba? Ilalagay lang natin 12-10. Swimming. Yes. This is it. My plan. Let's go!
Tara na. Kalang.
Yes!
Video ka ba?
Oh, yes! Pinatid natin to sa YouTube.
Wala akong shorts eh. Ito na lang.
Don't mock you, Colcat, ha? Is that... That's a short, man?
Hindi, paano mo ka?
See?
Aliwa, natahiga ako. Masama tayong ano.
There's lots of buster shorts here. The Hawaiian one with the sharks. If you want to see.
Meron ko ba alam? May extra shorts ka pa ba?
My friend eh. Ayan, it's okay. See, there's so many. And the crab. Look at the crab. There. This place is a semi, a sea. A semi-ocean. Crabs that can live in the surface. The master of all. Yes, the jumping man. That's the jumping man. The guy with the conditioner. Yes. That's it. Alright.